My name is Brian Inyart, and this is the Taste and Smell Lab, Bio 153 Lab. Experiment Overview. In this experiment, I will demonstrate the association between taste and smell. I will taste salt, sugar, lemon juice, and coffee grounds. I will gather the ingredients, placing about a half a teaspoon on a spoon, or in this case, in the little tubs. In the first round, I will taste the different ingredients while holding my nostrils closed. In the second round, I will taste the ingredients again, but this time without my nostrils being plugged. And then I will record the differences. First one, salt. When I tasted the salt with my nostrils plugged, it was bitter with a little bit of taste of salt. And then when you unplug your nose and taste again, it tasted, as you would think, really salty. The next one I did was sugar. With plugged nostrils, you tasted sweetness, but it wasn't too sweet. Then with unplugged nostrils, it tasted like sugar. Pretty sweet, a lot sweeter than it was with your nostrils plugged. The next one I did was lemon juice. With the plugged nostrils, it tasted like lemon without the sourness. Unplugged nostrils, it tasted like a sour lemon. The coffee grounds with plugged nose, I didn't taste anything. All I had was the texture of the coffee grounds on my tongue. The unplugged nostrils, it tasted like strong coffee. Final thoughts. After conducting this experiment, I came to realize that when it comes to taste and smell, they work together to get the sensation that we have come to know. There were two that stood out to me the most in the experiments, and they were the lemon juice and the coffee grounds. For as long as I can remember, anything with the lime or lemon variety has been pretty sour when I've tasted it. When I plugged my nostrils and tasted the lemon, I was able to actually get the flavor of the lemon itself without all the sourness. But as soon as I unplugged my nostrils and tried it again, it was back to what we knew, the sour lemon. And then another one is the coffee. I'm a coffee drinker, love the smell of coffee, tend to have the stronger coffees at my house. I was shocked to find out when I plugged my nostrils, even with the strong coffee, that it didn't have any taste. Like I said before, it was just the texture of the coffee grounds. And then when I unplugged my nostrils and tried it again, it tasted like what I would expect coffee grounds to taste like. Biblical discussion. The sensation of smell and taste to me is a lot like what it is to have faith in God. There's a lot of times where God does something in my life that may not make the most sense, but I have faith in Him that is for a good reason. There may be scientific explanations on how smell and taste work together to make the lemon juice sour. But at the end of the day, when you can cut open a lemon to make lemonade, you have faith that the lemon is going to be sour and you're going to have to add sugar to your drink. Much like in your walk with God, you have faith that He will be there to guide you through any struggles that you may have. One of my favorite verses, Jeremiah 29:11, reads, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans for welfare and not for evil, to give you a future and hope." Only God knows the plans to our lives. Our job is to have faith and trust that He will be the smell to our taste that we need to experience the full sensation out of life. Thank you, and God bless.